Omma Joshimhae. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is Joshimhae. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about the word Joshimhae. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 120. Joshimhae. Joshimhae. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is Jo, second syllable is Sim, the third syllable is He. Pronounce it with me. Joshimhae. The word Joshimhae is used to say, be careful. Again, this is used to say, be careful. How do we spell Joshimhae in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable Jo in Hangul, we need to draw first a Jiut character followed by an O character. For the second syllable Shim, we need to draw first a Siut character followed by an E character followed by a Mium character. For the last syllable He, we need to draw first a Hiut character followed by an E character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word Joshimhae. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word Joshimhae, let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, Mom, be careful. The Korean translation of this sentence is Omma Joshimhae. Omma Joshimhae. The word Omma means mom, or the short term for mother. On the other hand, Joshimhae is our word for today, and we already know that it means be careful. Therefore, Omma plus Joshimhae means Mom, be careful. If we'll look back to the example sentence at the start of the video, it says Omma Joshimhae. And by now, we already know that the meaning of this sentence is Mom, be careful. And with that, you've just learned Joshimhae. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 110 to 119. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 120, Joshimhae. And this is used to say, be careful. Word number 119 is kopi, and this is the Korean noun for coffee. Word number 118 is pang, and this is the Korean noun for bread. Word number 117 is gogi, and this is the Korean noun for meat. Word number 116 is choa, and this is used to say that something is good, alright, or likable. Word number 115 is yache, and this is the Korean noun for vegetables. Word number 114 is debak, and this is a Korean slang used to express amazement. Word number 113 is bap, and this is the Korean noun for rice or meal. Word number 112 is yonghwa, and this is the Korean noun for film or movie. Word number 111 is boda. This is a root verb which means to see or to look at. And the last for our review is word number 110, chincha. This is an informal way of saying really. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.